Airplanes have transformed the world in ways unimaginable a century ago, offering a unique combination of speed, efficiency, and connectivity. This remarkable mode of transport has seen significant advancements since the Wright brothers' first flight in 1903, evolving through decades of innovation and technological breakthroughs. If you enjoy this video about airplanes, please like, share, and subscribe. At the end of the video, please use the comment section to ask us any questions about airplanes. Today, airplanes are not just marvels of engineering, but also the result of intricate scientific research and discoveries that have redefined our understanding of flight. One of the most significant discoveries in the realm of aviation is the development of jet engines. The jet engine revolutionized air travel by providing a more powerful and efficient means of propulsion compared to traditional piston engines. This innovation has enabled aircraft to travel faster and farther, making intercontinental travel a routine part of modern life. The principles behind jet engines, such as air compression, combustion, and exhaust thrust, have pushed the boundaries of physics and engineering. Another groundbreaking discovery is the concept of aerodynamics. The study of how air interacts with solid objects has been crucial in designing aircraft that can achieve lift and minimize drag. The shape of an airplane's wings, known as an airfoil, is designed to create a pressure difference between the upper and lower surfaces, generating lift. The Wright brothers' understanding of wing warping and control surfaces paved the way for modern control techniques that allow pilots to maneuver aircraft with precision. Materials science has also played a pivotal role in the evolution of airplanes. Early aircraft were made of wood and fabric, which were lightweight but lacked durability and strength. The advent of aluminum alloys marked a significant advancement, offering a strong yet lightweight material that could withstand the stresses of flight. In recent years, the use of composite materials, such as carbon fiber-reinforced polymers, has further enhanced the performance and efficiency of aircraft. These materials are not only lighter but also more resistant to corrosion and fatigue, extending the lifespan of modern airplanes. The development of avionics has been another critical area of discovery in aviation. Avionics, or aviation electronics, encompass the systems used for communication, navigation, and control of aircraft. Innovations in this field have led to the creation of sophisticated autopilot systems, which can perform many functions traditionally handled by pilots. These systems rely on sensors, computers, and software to monitor and adjust the aircraft's flight path, ensuring a safer and more efficient journey. Advances in satellite navigation and global positioning systems have also revolutionized how pilots navigate, allowing for precise routing and improved situational awareness. In the realm of environmental sustainability, the aviation industry has made significant strides in reducing its carbon footprint. The discovery and implementation of more efficient engines, aerodynamic designs, and lightweight materials have all contributed to reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Additionally, the development of alternative fuels, such as biofuels, has shown promise in further decreasing the environmental impact of air travel. Research into electric and hybrid electric propulsion systems is also underway, with the potential to transform the industry even further. Human factors and ergonomics have also seen substantial advancements, focusing on improving the safety and comfort of both passengers and crew. Discoveries in this field have led to better cockpit designs, more comfortable seating arrangements, and improved cabin environments. For instance, the understanding of how pressure changes affect the human body has resulted in the development of pressurized cabins, allowing passengers to travel at high altitudes without adverse health effects. The discovery and implementation of fly-by-wire technology represent another leap forward in aviation. This system replaces traditional manual flight controls with electronic interfaces, providing pilots with more precise and responsive control over the aircraft. Fly-by-wire systems can automatically adjust control surfaces to maintain stability and optimize performance, reducing the workload on pilots and enhancing overall safety. Another fascinating area of discovery in aviation is the concept of supersonic and hypersonic flight. Supersonic flight refers to traveling faster than the speed of sound, while hypersonic flight exceeds 5 times the speed of sound. The Concorde, a commercial supersonic airliner, was a remarkable achievement in this domain, although it was eventually retired due to economic and environmental concerns. Today, research into new materials, propulsion systems, and aerodynamic designs aims to overcome the challenges of supersonic and hypersonic travel, potentially ushering in a new era of high-speed air transport. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into aviation is another frontier that promises to revolutionize the industry. Artificial intelligence can analyze vast amounts of data to improve flight operations, predict maintenance needs, and enhance passenger experiences. For example, predictive maintenance systems use artificial intelligence to monitor the health of aircraft components, identifying potential issues before they become critical. This not only improves safety, but also reduces downtime and operational costs. The discovery of new methods for air traffic management has also been crucial in handling the increasing number of flights worldwide. Advanced radar systems, automated air traffic control tools, and data-sharing technologies have improved the efficiency and safety of air traffic management. These systems help manage the complex web of aircraft routes, preventing collisions and optimizing flight paths to reduce delays and fuel consumption. In the realm of passenger experience, numerous discoveries have enhanced the comfort and convenience of air travel. Innovations such as in-flight entertainment systems, improved seat designs, and enhanced cabin lighting contribute to a more enjoyable journey. The development of noise-canceling technology and better soundproofing materials has also made flights quieter and more comfortable for passengers. Furthermore, the exploration of vertical takeoff and landing aircraft represents an exciting development in aviation. Vertical takeoff and landing aircraft can take off and land vertically, eliminating the need for long runways. This technology has significant implications for urban air mobility, potentially reducing congestion and transforming the way we think about transportation in cities. Electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, in particular, hold promise for sustainable and efficient short-distance travel. The discovery and application of unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, have opened up new possibilities in aviation. Drones are used in a variety of industries, from agriculture and construction to emergency response and logistics. Advances in drone technology, such as improved sensors, autonomous flight capabilities, and enhanced battery life, continue to expand their potential applications. In the future, drones could play a significant role in delivering goods, conducting aerial surveys, and even transporting passengers. Safety has always been a paramount concern in aviation, and discoveries in this area have led to numerous improvements. Enhanced safety protocols, better training programs for pilots and crew, and the development of advanced safety systems have all contributed to making air travel one of the safest modes of transportation. Innovations such as terrain awareness and warning systems, collision avoidance systems, and improved fire detection and suppression technologies have significantly reduced the risks associated with flying. The understanding of meteorology and its impact on aviation has also seen significant advancements. Accurate weather forecasting is crucial for safe and efficient flight operations. The discovery and implementation of advanced weather radar systems, satellite observations, and computer modeling have improved our ability to predict and respond to weather conditions that could affect flights. These advancements help pilots avoid turbulence, lightning, and other hazardous weather phenomena, ensuring a smoother and safer journey. Another important area of discovery is the impact of human physiology on flight. Research into the effects of long-duration flights on the human body has led to measures that mitigate issues such as deep vein thrombosis, jet lag, and fatigue. Innovations like improved cabin pressurization, humidity control, and better seat ergonomics contribute to passenger well-being during long flights. The study of animal flight has also inspired several aviation advancements. Observations of birds and insects have provided valuable insights into aerodynamics, wing design, and flight mechanics. For example, the development of flapping wing drones, also known as ornithopters, draws directly from the principles of bird flight. These bio-inspired designs hold potential for applications where traditional fixed-wing or rotorcraft designs are less effective. In summary, the field of aviation has witnessed an incredible array of discoveries and innovations that have transformed air travel into a safe, efficient, and essential part of modern life. From the development of jet engines and advanced materials to the integration of artificial intelligence and the exploration of supersonic flight, each breakthrough has contributed to the ongoing evolution of this dynamic industry. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, the future of aviation promises even more exciting advancements that will shape the way we travel and connect with the world. If you enjoyed this video about airplanes, please like, share, and subscribe. This helps us to continue making videos like this for everyone.